Gourmet, everyday treats. You know I'm whipping up the flour, yeah, I'm whipping up the gas, whipping up everything. My food not trash. Hey, they call me Chef Steak, cooking the beats. They call me Chef Steak, cooking the treats. Yeah, they call me Chef Steak. I'm whipping the food. If you want some food, you gotta come with an attitude. I'm eating every day. I'm hungry.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to my channel, Party Foods by Chef Stay. And today, guys, I'm going to show you all the ingredients that you need to make a really easy 3-step, delicious homemade lasagna. So, guys, let's get started. First, you're going to see that I'm going to show you all the ingredients you need. You need your black pepper, your garlic, your onion, your red crushed peppers, your tomato paste, your dice, your noodles, of course, some wine, the Shady Brook lean turkey, this hot sausage, and the sweet turkey sausage. Okay, guys, you're going to need your ricotta cheese, your mozzarella cheese, your Parmesan cheese, your fresh basil, fresh garlic, yellow onion, parsley, and mushrooms, guys. And of course, your lasagna. Okay? So guys, that's it looks like it's a lot, but it's not. It's very simple. It's very easy to make. Okay? So the next step is to chop up your onions, your green peppers, your fresh mushrooms, your fresh garlic, and your fresh basil, guys. And our olive oil is that you just saute that a little bit. So now we're going to, as you can see, I'm having a little difficulties with my camera, but you see I incorporated all my meat in the pan. Now the meat has cooked down, and I added all my sauce, the diced Hunt's tomatoes, the paste, the tomato paste, the roasted garlic and herb, and you can use any sauce you need. And last but not least, guys, my favorite to use for my lasagna. I love incorporating the red cooking wine. So let me just pour a little bit of this in here, guys. Like a couple of tablespoons, whatever you like to put in there. You're not going to get drunk, so don't worry about that. But maybe if you put the whole bottle, you'll get drunk. So, guys, let's just stir all the ingredients together. As you can see, I'm stirring. And I'm incorporating, everything is all incorporated in there, from the tomatoes to your onion powder, all your seasons. And you just let it simmer for a couple of hours, guys. Okay, guys, check it out. I'm back, and it's been cooking for over an hour. As you can come into my kitchen. Come on, guys. Look at this. Woo, baby. Look at all the ingredients. They thicken up, all the seasons and the flavors of the herbs and the wine make you want to slap somebody. Okay, let's do our cheese. Let's start with the ricotta cheese. We're making our sauce for the lasagna. Add 2 eggs. Let me crack these eggs. Okay, guys. Okay, it's my second egg. And what we're going to do is just add all our seasons in there. Let's put our Parmesan cheese, or any cheese that you like. You could put it in there. If you use yellow sharp cheese, you can use that as well. It's up to you guys what you want in your lasagna. My black pepper, because I'm going to spice this ricotta cheese up. A lot of people don't like it, and that's because they just put it in there plain. Add just a dash of salt, not too much, because we're using cheese, and cheese kind of have a saltiness to it. Okay? So now we're going to incorporate our fresh herbs, which is the basil and the fresh parsley. Okay, as you can see, I'm taking it all off the cooking board, cutting board. Now let's stir. Just stir it in, guys. Don't be afraid. Just stir that stuff in there. Make sure you get all those eggs and all those good flavors that's going to be popping in your lasagna, all incorporated together. So let's just stir it, okay? Keep stirring. Stir it till you don't see no more eggs, of course. I'm having a time stirring. My hand kind of hurt today, that little arthritis kicking in, but hey, it's not going to stop me. I'm going to keep on moving, yeah. Okay, guys, stop playing around. So check it out now. Look closely in the camera how I mix all the ingredients up together. And it's actually good. And you can't taste it now because of eggs. So let's move on to the kitchen. Let's move on to the lasagna, I mean. Okay, here's the lasagna. I like to use the Barilla lasagna in the blue box. And I put salt in my water, but I did not add oil in my water because I don't want my lasagna to be so slippery when I'm trying to layer them on my pan. Okay, so you just boil those in for a few minutes, few seconds, you know, because you're going to have to cook it in the oven as well. So you just, once they start falling down into the pot, they're ready for you to take out. So maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes. I never time it. I just eyeball it. You know, when I'm making my lasagna, I'm pretty much eyeballing everything because I do it all the time. And if you guys like follow the ingredients, you will start eyeballing it too because you're going to cook it based on your taste buds, okay? So the lasagna is now boiling. The meat has been cooking for over an hour. It's simmering. And you want to cook your meat, you know, make sure your meat simmer for a while because you're going to cook that wine off. So now let's just layer our lasagna. And as you can see, I didn't want to bore you guys and have you on here looking all day. So we're doing this simple, quick, and easy. So at the bottom of your pan, make sure you layer your pan with the meat sauce. Now I layered my noodles and now I'm going to layer the meat sauce on top of my noodles. But don't forget to layer your meat on the bottom. You don't want your noodles on the bottom because they might stick or they might burn. You don't want to mess your lasagna up. I don't like a lot of meat, you know, in my lasagna, just to even them out. But you can pile more meat on yours if you want. You do it the way you like, okay? As you look closely, you see how all those seasons have marinated together, was giving it a nice sauce. And the sauce is fabulous. Yes, indeedy, because Chef Stay made it, okay? Okay, guys. So now let's incorporate our sauce, our ricotta sauce, the cheese sauce. And you could just toss that in there, guys. You ain't got to do it no special way. All the food go down the same way, guys. No matter what, this is going to be delicious. So you could toss it in there. You can layer it in there. You can make it neat. Whichever way you want to make it, you can do it like that. So let's throw that darn ricotta cheese in there. Just toss it in there, guys. Ain't nobody got time for all that. Toss that cheese on in there. It's going down the same way. And it's so good. For real, for real. Now let's add our Parmesan cheese. And like I said, you can add sharp cheese if you like that. Whatever other cheese you like, you can incorporate that in lasagna as well. But you're going to see at the end of this video how cheesy this lasagna is going to be. Okay? So you just keep layering it. The same procedures over and over. You layered meat sauce, cheese, layer meat sauce, cheese. Now you can see it's done. It's all layered and it's ready to go in the oven. Smells great already. Now it's out the oven. Check it out, guys. Cheesy, beautiful. Let's cut it out. Let's get some lasagna on our plate. Okay? We're going to cut this lasagna. Now let me put it on the plate. Come closer. Come on in my kitchen. Come on, guys. Come close. Check it out. It's heavy too. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. Now it's time for me to eat it, guys. And for y'all to get on out my kitchen for real. So y'all can get in y'all's and do y'all thing. Check it out. I can't even get it on the fork. Look. Have you had lasagna like this before? I know you probably did, but have you tasted mine? Once you taste mine, you're going to be like, let me slap everybody around me. Look at this. So delicious, guys. So delicious. And thank you guys for your time. Thank you for following me on my channel, Party Foods by Chef Stay. Please hit the notification button for all my uploads of my new upcoming videos that's coming out. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell them all, tell your neighbors. Tell all of them. Join in. Subscribe to my channel, Party Foods by Chef Stay. I like to let all you guys know I love you all. I'm going to be coming up with some more delicious recipes. And I want to apologize to you guys if y'all been waiting for recipes and I haven't gotten back with you. I've been a little under the weather with this arthritis, but God is not going to stop me. My passion, my love is for you guys, for myself, for God and my family and friends. And we're going to make it happen. Let's just do this together. And again, subscribe to my channel, Party Foods by Chef Stay. And I'll be talking to you guys soon. And have a blessed day, everyone out there who are a subscriber to my channel, Party Foods by Chef Stay. Bye-bye.